In this video, I'm going to walk through how to merge and center titles in Excel. I'm using Office 365 Excel on a computer running Windows. The process is the same on a Mac. We are going to center the statement titles or headings across the statement itself. Select cells A1 to C1. These are the cells where the content from A1 will be centered. Click on Merge and Center in the ribbon. The title is centered across the statement now. We repeat those steps for each of the titles. You have to do one row at a time for Merge and Center. That's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz and is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.